The Broil King Imperial Grill Flat Topper effectively grills small and delicate items with the Broil King Imperial Grill Flat Topper. The topper is made with high-grade 1.2mm stainless steel to deliver a continuous sear. The wide design gives you more cooking space, while the raised frame keeps food contained within the topper cooking surface. Oversized stainless steel handles and square raised perforations add to its rigidity. The raised perforations help keep food from sticking and allow better sear marks. Use the oversized handles to easily transfer the topper from your grill to the table. After use, the topper can be placed in the dishwasher. The topper gives you enhanced control when cooking small and delicate items on your grill. The Broil King Imperial Grill Flat Topper. Broil King. Do more with your grill.